Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to cover a really simple but an important concept in Swift programming, and that is to find the maximum element in an array. So let's get started. So the question that we are going to do today is to find the maximum element in an array. All right, so let's see. So in this question, we need to find the maximum number in an array of integers. Now, arrays are basic data structures in programming, and being able to quickly find the largest number in an array is a common task. So in this video, I'll show you how to solve it using Swift. So let's get started. All right, so for this, we are going to use a function called findMax. So let's first create our own function. So let's write func and findMax. All right, so our function is going to take an input parameter, and that will be in our array. That would be ARR, and this is of type integer. So let's write that. Now it's going to return the largest element of an array, so it's going to return an integer. Let's write that. And for now, to just stop our compiler in saying that nothing is returned, we can just return 0 just for now. All right, so first we declared our function, and the name of the function is findMax. You can give your own name, whatever you want. Now this function accepts an array, and that will be of type integer, and this array returns an integer, and that would be the maximum number from that array. Okay, so let's see what we can do. So we can actually return our array, and we can use a function that Swift provides, and that function name is max. So we can just write arr.max, and it will return the maximum element of that particular array. Now it's giving an option. Now it's giving an error and saying that it's an optional value and it must be unwrapped. Now, what if our array has no element whatsoever? So what's going to happen? So we need to provide a default value. So we can just write this, and we can just write 0. So if our array will not have a value, or it can be an empty array, now in that case, this 0 will be returned. So that's the reason we did that. So let's try and run it. So let's write find max, and let's give it an array. So we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a simple example for now, and let's try and print it as well, so we can see it in our console. So let's just print this. All right, let's try and run this, and let's see what we get. Okay, all right, and we got 5, so this is working. Now we can just write more integers here. We can write 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe we can add 52. Let's see what happens. And we got 52. That is the largest element in the array. So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like Swift related videos and iOS related videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.